How to close Google Forms responses. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can close responses in a Google form. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and search for Google Forms. Now make sure that you're using the account in which you built the form. You can either be the owner or the editor of that form. So head over to Google Forms and just choose the form that you want to close. So this is the one. Open that up and there you should see your questions, your responses, and the settings. Now what you can do here is on the top you will see the published option. Tap on the published option and there you'll find an option that says accepting responses. All you have to do to close the responses is toggle this button off. Now if you tap on save, the form will be closed and the form won't be accepting any responses. And that is how you can do it. Now you can tap on the manage option and then you can just turn this on as well. And you can even edit the pop-up line. You can even edit the warning message here and tap on save. And that is basically how you do it. That is how you can close a response in Google Forms. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.